Moving on to card details, descriptions, attachments, due dates, and comments. Why master card details? Card details provides clarity, ensures every task has clear instructions, accountability, tracks deadlines and team input, reduces back and forth communication by storing all the relevant details in one place. Detailed cards report a 25% increase in task completion rates, according to a recent productivity study. Step 1, adding descriptions to card. Well, that's pretty easy. You simply click on any one of the card, you get the description box, and you can add descriptions the way you want. You can add bullet points, you can italicize, you can create a list, you can add hyperlink, add images, insert different elements like mention, emoji, code snippet, quotes, dividers. You can use Trello's AI to create a description, add attachments, you can mark it down, you can open help dialog. So you can do all of this from the description box here. Next is uploading and managing attachments. You can click on attachment and you can choose a file, search or paste a link, and you can add a display text and click on insert. So let's say, yeah, that's what you can do for attachment. Or you can simply drag and drop any file. So let's say, do I have anything here? Not really. So let's go to my downloads, and I have a PDF here. I come back here, click on drag, and it automatically gets added to the attachment. So see, this got added. So now I can edit it, comment on it, download it, or delete it. So that's how you upload and manage attachments. You add and manage due dates. Clicking on dates, you can add a due date, start date, due date, and you can also set up a due date reminder, that is a day before, time of due date, 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, and so on. Trello will display the due date on the card and send reminders when the deadline is near. Fun fact, teams using Trello due dates reduce missing deadlines by 20%. Adding and managing comments, well, this is interesting and important. You can mention the team member who you want to. You can mention all members on the card, all members on the board, specific member, and tell him, okay, that this card is for him, and you can just keep adding comments. And to provide updates or feedbacks on tasks, you can tag team members with @ to notify them. For example, @Jane, can you review this draft by Friday? Comments are a great way to keep all conversations about a task in one place, reducing the need for emails or external chats. Practices for managing card details: keep descriptions concise but clear, use bullet points for better readability, attach only relevant files, too many attachments can clutter the card, set realistic due dates, use comments constructively. So that's some of the best practices to manage. Automation, simplify card management. You can use Butler, automatically assign due dates, send reminders before deadlines, and add labels or members to new cards. So example, when a card is added to the in progress list, assign it to John and set a due date for 3 days later. Automation ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Now that's how you can automate the card. Let's look at some of the example of cards. For content creation, a card for a blog post might include a description, write a 500-word post about sustainability trends, an attachment, research links, an outline and images, and some comments that would be feedback for the editors. Or for take an example of product launch, a card with a checklist for tasks like finalize product specifications, draft press release, and schedule launch event. Detailed cards help keep all team members aligned and tasks manageable. Great, we're done here. Key takeaways: descriptions clarify task objectives and expectations, attachments centralize resources and files, due dates keep tasks on schedule and ensure deadlines are met, comments foster collaboration and keep conversations organized, and automation simplifies repetitive actions like assigning due dates or notifying team members. That's all. This brings us to the end of this video presentation. We hope this has given you valuable insights into mastering card details. Should you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section or the Facebook, LinkedIn, or the school community. I'll be happy to help. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day.